Panthani here in Clinton, Oklahoma with the Cheyenne Arapaho Youth Council. It's really good. The Youth Council is growing every year. More people are participating, and we're just trying to help them identify themselves as Cheyenne and Arapaho.
We got some
Imperial.
red cedar, flat cedar, sweetgrass, and we brought them all together. And we had students to clean the cedar, to learn how to clean the cedar, and then we told them stories, tradition, and culture, you know, about us cedering in the Arapaho tribe.
And everything in Arapaho stories is it's like our Father is giving stuff to us, teaching us different things so they can go back to help our people.
I really like that we have people to sit here and tell us, like, to show us what our ancestors couldn't show us, like what they couldn't do. And I like how we have people here that sit down and take the time with kids like us and show us everything that we should know for our culture.
Yeah, it makes me feel really good that like we're still able to show like younger generations like how it was and how it's supposed to be done. And I feel like we could have lost the opportunity a long time ago, and it's good that we're still carrying it on.
Jesus ahe na ho no setano na ho o seta hata he ama nevo hesta na neo seta se ho sevo hata he ama se pave sanoe.